Okay, take your half of your pumpkin pie ice cream sandwiches that we laid out in our 13 by 9. Now I'm gonna take my Cool Whip and my pumpkin spice instant pudding. We're gonna put that right into that Cool Whip, the whole box. Go ahead and move this to the side. Grab a bowl and a spatula. And we're gonna mix that pudding and that Cool Whip nice and easy. Oh my, this is gonna be delicious. Get all of that Cool Whip. This is the big Cool Whip. I did buy this earlier this morning and it didn't look like it thawed all the way yet, but that's okay. As long as we get it nice and well blended so we can get all of those delicious pumpkin flavors in our easy ice cream dessert. All right, make sure all of that powder is mixed in. Now this is ready for our dessert. Put that to the side. Grab our 13 by 9 again. And then now we're gonna put half of this Cool Whip mixture right on top of those sandwiches. Just a nice thick layer, that delicious pumpkin spice Cool Whip. Yummy, looks perfect. Save the rest for later. And now we're just gonna spread this to cover all of those ice cream sandwiches. Now I got these pumpkin spice ice cream sandwiches from Kroger/Smith's. They were right there with all the other ice cream sandwiches, just a delicious little pumpkin pie seasonal flavor. I am way too excited to share this dessert with you guys because it is not only easy, it is delicious. Okay, make sure to get it nice and pretty. This isn't the top, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but as long as all those sandwiches get a nice layer. Okay, that looks great. Now I'm gonna come in with my ginger snaps. Oh, I love ginger snaps in the fall. I'm gonna grab a few out of this box, or out of this bag, and we're just gonna crush these right on top of that pumpkin spice, just to add a nice little crunch into our dessert. Those ice cream sandwiches are really soft and just like delicate. So I think that this crunchy ginger snap is just gonna complement the textures and also the flavors. I mean, ginger snap and pumpkin, that's a winning combination. So kind of just get little chunks right in there. These are the best ginger snaps around. These are also from Kroger. Beautiful. Now I'm coming in with my caramel syrup. Yep. We are making this nice and sweet and delicious. Caramel is just gonna be so perfect with this dessert. Oh, look at that drizzle. Gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add another layer of these ice cream sandwiches right on top of that caramel. Just like the first layer, just get those sandwiches right in there. Oh, this is gonna be so perfect. It is still 80 degrees here in Vegas, so a nice ice cream sandwich cake is gonna be exactly what we need. Okay, almost done here. And then we saved that other half that we broke off and it goes perfectly right there. All right, now that we have our second layer of ice cream sandwiches, we're gonna go in with the rest of our pumpkin spice Cool Whip. Get that right on top. We're gonna do a nice layer of that Cool Whip just like we did before. And then this is gonna be almost ready. Ooh, yeah, look how delicious that looks. Okay, now we're gonna try to make it a little pretty. I might have used too much Cool Whip on that first layer. Okay, that looks good, yummy. Okay, now I have some pumpkin pie spice. And we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle. Ooh, just light. This comes out very heavy, so just be careful. We have one more thing we're gonna put on top of this, but I'm gonna wait until it is in the fridge and hardens up. Perfect, okay. So now we're gonna put this in the freezer for 1 hour. All right, you guys, it's been 1 hour in the freezer. Now to make this look extra cute, I had some of these little pumpkin candies left over. Might as well add to the pumpkin and just kind of put them right on top of our delicious little ice cream cake. This is obviously totally optional. I just think it makes the cake look even prettier and more festive. I am so ready to dive into this. This is the perfect Halloween or Thanksgiving dessert. Yummy. I am so happy. Okay, just a few more so we can get a nice symmetrical little design on here. Trying to pick the best ones for you guys. Okay, these ones are hanging on to the edge. That's okay. Perfect. Let's go ahead and cut a piece. Oh yeah, right in the middle of those ice cream sandwiches. This is gonna be delicious, okay? Let's hope for the best. Look at that. Looks so good. Okay, time to try this. Our pumpkin ice cream cake. This is gonna be a winner. I already know it. Tastes like pumpkin pie. It's so good.